everyone from the universe here. A few hours ago I created a video about turning the XML format of LEGO Digital Designer files and basically importing them to Roblox to create some pretty cool models and stuff with the given limitations that you have to have the parts pre-built and stuff, but it just actually copies and moves the parts to their correct locations and stuff. So I am actually going to start showing the opposite, importing models from Roblox into Digital Designer. Now the current limitations I have are they have to be the bricks that you have here that have the same name as the ID that they would have in LEGO Digital Designer. I probably will build some place in the future if I do make this a plugin that has all the models and stuff with the correct name, but that'll not be anytime soon, probably. So basically, I have made it so I can actually export this code, export the model into the proper XML format. So I'm just going to quickly copy all this, run it in my command line, and I now have the exported model file right here. It has all the information and stuff to actually create the proper model inside Digital Designer. Now what you're going to need for this is a notepad. Pretty much all you need to do is paste your file from copying it here, go to File, Save As, and let's just call it exported file dot lxfml. Now you are going to need to turn this from txt to all files so it doesn't save as a txt file, it saves as this proper format. So I'm just going to hit save. And I'm going to go into File Explorer. Right here. And I'm just going to open this up in Digital Designer. Not sure why it's in safe mode. I have no clue how to disable it. And as you can see right here, it's actually created the proper model and stuff. Now, it's cool that I have this format supported, but there's also an older format which has a 4 at the end of it. Still the file extension, but still it looks a little bit different and it's a little bit more compact. Well, if I go back to the top, change this false to true. And now get another one, which is the more compact format. Copy all, select all, delete, paste, and just save. It's the same extension name though. No, yes, I want to import it. Okay, you're gonna have to say yes because you're gonna have to import the older file version because this is an older version of the file. But everything seems to be importing correctly except for colors. My way for figuring out which colors the closest is not perfect. Because as you can see here, that's black, this is blue, this is gray. Actually, both of those are gray. This one's green here. It's not perfect, but still, it works a little bit. Like this is regular pink, not hot pink. Even though I'm not sure if there is a hot pink. Is there? Yeah, no, there is none. So this is pretty much it. I am going to be looking into the whole color situation probably soon. It's a lot easier to go from a Digital Designer color to Roblox than backwards. I will probably continue looking at this, and maybe I'll either make a plugin and have a boatload of primitives. I'll need a lot. Basically, a primitive is just a single part like this one. Or I just open source it, give instructions on how to make your own parts and stuff, and so you go to town. But that is pretty much it for now. I was pretty fascinated that I was actually able to create all this. It is a little bit complex though to be able to set up because you have to create each part using CSG. And more complex parts, just more complex parts like the ones you would see in the Power Miner series with the special drills and stuff that require multiple parts to do. They're not really supported. Anyway, I'll just probably be open sourcing this anytime soon. So, bye everyone.